Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more background on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of connecting and utilizing your SharePoint data in Power BI Desktop. There are multiple ways to import data, and with this method, you'll seamlessly access your cloud-stored data loaded into Power BI and begin transforming it to uncover valuable insights. Let's get started. Starting from our Power BI Desktop tool, we'll click on Get Data and then select More. From here, we'll type in SharePoint. Then, we'll select SharePoint folder and click on Connect. Now, we would need the site URL to connect to our SharePoint folder. Let's open up our SharePoint folder, copy the URL, and paste it in here. Instantly, let's delete everything after PBI \. The reason for this is because we need to enter the root URL, which does not include subfolders for the data to connect. When everything looks good, click on OK. We can see that this will bring in all of our data from the SharePoint folder. So let's go ahead and click on Transform Data. Next, we'll click on the drop-down arrow by name, type in the name of the document we are looking for here, click here to deselect all, click on our specific file, and then hit OK. This will make sure the system only reads that specific file that we need. Afterwards, we'll click on Combine Files, and we can see that the Power BI Desktop tool processed the data for our file in the preview. When everything looks good, click on OK. Now, we'll click on Apply Changes here if there are pending changes, and we can see that it is loading the data from the SharePoint file into the tool. Finally, we can see our data on the right, and when clicking on the fields, it will automatically load in the system. And that's it! Your SharePoint data is now loaded into Power BI Desktop, ready for analysis and transformation. Feel free to transform or manipulate this data however you please. Thank you for watching this video on the BI Quick Tip series. For more information on BI, please visit our Help Files website. Until next time.